back to another video with your girl Simple Sassy. So today I will be trying the soft locks. Yes, so as you can see, I already created my pattern. What I did something very simple and easy, nothing tedious. As you can see at the back, kind of a bit confusing, but yes, it's nothing hard. At the front I have some small braids because I'll be doing the illusion method. And as you can see in the top of my hair, I have some jumbo cornrows. So this hair in particular is a hair that was sent to me by Yesego. Yay! I love doing hair for Yesego because their hair is of a high quality, not to mention the length. 34-inch, girl, I am telling you, I am loving it. It also came with a crochet needle and little accessories. You know, you can dress the hair if you want to, but for this video I won't be using the accessories, but I will definitely use the needle. I got 4 packs in total, and per pack came 18 strands per pack, so you know I can get a complete hair done. So for this tutorial I will be using my kinky hair. I will be using my Afro Kinky to, you know, wrap the hair to give me that realistic look that I'm looking for. So if you are interested in seeing those end results, stay tuned, stay connected. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So first thing first is to attach the locks to the braid. So I'll be taking my needle and I will be attaching my locks to the middle of my braid. So I'll be opening the locks, then I will be attaching it to the hook to crochet it through the middle of my braid. So as you can see, I am creating that crochet at the middle of the braid. So if you don't know how to crochet, guys, you can check out my previous videos. I think I did a crochet tutorials, so you can just check out that if you don't know how to crochet. But as you can see, I crochet at the middle of the braid. Then I'll be taking my Afro Kinky. So I'll be crocheting the Afro Kinky at the root of the braid. So once I have done that, I will uneven the braids. So I will be having a short side and a long side, and the long side will be my wrapping side. So I'll be taking the Afro Kinky and I will wrap it around the root of the hair to have that tighter grip. Once I have done that, I would just continue to wrap to the extreme end until the braid is finished. So you wrap and ensure that you're wrapping tight so that you don't have too much bumps. So you wrap and you wrap and you wrap and you wrap and you wrap until you reach to the end. Voila! And that's how you create that illusion. They will never know that it was crochet, right? So let us go through and give it a closer look. Look at the root, guys. Look at the root. It seems like it was done from scratch, but let us continue and see how well we can get this done. So as you can see, I have finished the front section of my hair, and what I'll be doing now is to continue the procedure by crocheting the entire middle section of my hair. So guys, watch keenly while I get this done, because I'm excited to see the finished look. And wow, so this is the finished look, guys. Look what I did. I tried my best. I am loving this hair. The length is amazing. And guess what? It is not that heavy as I thought it would. I am enjoying it. It's my first time wearing so long hair, and I am feeling really feeling this hair. It has a vibe to me. Look at that illusion. You could never tell it is a crochet. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share guys, comment and let me know. Until next time, thank you for watching.